Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Sajid from SMTV. I think it is a message for every YouTubers. They are concentrating all the time, gaining subscribers, and they are working hard. They are doing some unusual things, just like rather than you can concentrate on your work, rather than you can hard work, and what I believe that when you get good language, and when you get a confidently you face the cameras, and talk about the social media. There is lots of campaign happened, and I think it is all is waste, because they subscribed you, but I think later he will unsubscribe you. So I think it is a wasting of time. So the most important thing is that, first of all, you need to concentrate on your work. You need to improvise your voice, improvise your body language, and face the cameras confidently. That is your successful way, and instantly you can get a 1K subscribers. I think it is not a big target. So I think when I start my channel, and I follow so many experienced YouTubers, and so many times I try to ask the questions, but I don't get any answers, and I follow him. It is true, but I think he don't give attention to that. So in a YouTube channel you can find many experienced YouTubers. They are making a thumbnail according to according to his thought, according to his content, that 1K subscribers. It is very easy. Just one trick you can do, and you can get very easily 1K subscribers, and at the end you don't find out any benefit of watching this content. I think after that you really regret that from watching these videos. So I think and the most stupid thing is that you are going a wrong way. There is lots of platform in social media. There is lots of people, they are available, they are giving a service, taking a money is, in a service. So be aware of that people, and never spend your monies, because they all are fake, they all are a scammer. When they took your money, and they disappeared from the social media, so you cannot find out. So I think it is wasting of monies, it is wasting of time, it is wasting of energies. So that will be that is really completely incomplete work you are doing. So my concept is that every YouTuber, they need to grow his channel, and they want to reach at 1K subscribers. I think in initial stages you don't need to worry. You just work hard, and you just concentrate on your work, rather than going some other wrong ways. So I think it will be improve your channel, and improve your body language and skills. And most important thing is that the content, it is really it must be in a good way. So then you grow up. And that's all I wanted to say. That goodbye, and see you in the next video. Thank you for being with us, and have a nice day, have a great time.